Guys, so today I'm here and I did take and film this look here. So if you guys would like to see how I did that, I did use the new Chocolate Gold palette by Too Faced here. This palette is stunning. It is stunning. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, please stay tuned. Alright, thanks guys. Alright, to get started, I am using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette here. It is so beautiful and stunning. Sorry about the big huge mirror blinding you, but so far I've been loving this palette, and I used only this palette to create this look. I'm using just a variety of brushes, just cheap Eco Tools, Morphe, e.l.f. brushes, stuff like that. Things first, I'm going to go in with the shade Rolling in Dough, and I'm going to put that under my brow bone as a highlight. Then after that, I'm going to go into the shade here called So Bougie, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. Next up, using a little bit less of a fluffy brush, I'm going to go into Chocolate Truffle, and I'm going to put this into the crease. Mainly keeping this towards the outer V. Next up, I'm just going to use kind of a flat shader brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Dripping in Diamonds, which is this beautiful, beautiful silver, and I'm going to put this in the front of my inner corner here of my lid. And this shade is so, so pigmented. Like, look at that. And there's no Fix Plus. It's not needed for a lot of these shades. And when that's done, I'm going to use this kind of angled Luxie brush here, and I'm going to go into the shade Living Lavish, and I'm going to build this up in the outer corner, and then when I'm done, I'm going to use this kind of more densely packed crease brush and go into New Money and pack that over and kind of blend it. So we got like a purpley pink on the outer V. To go back in and gently touch into Chocolate Truffle here. Just going to blend into the darker V of my eye, just to kind of blend that shade together. The brush we use for our transition shade, and just kind of blend everything. Now I'm just going to use a nice little defined pencil brush here, go back into that Dripping Diamond shade, and put this in the inner V of my eye, and in the beginning part of the lower lash line. Go in using a liner brush and go into Living Lavish again, and I'm going to use this for my under eye liner. Then when that's all done, all I'm going to do is use my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to do some coats here, probably 2 coats on my upper lash and 1 really thick one on my bottom lashes. Alright, that is the completed look. I hope you guys love it. It could be just a fun party look. I don't know, I just love it. I'm loving the silver shade. So far, guys, I've been loving this palette, as you could tell. I've just been loving it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now I've used every single shade now except for the green shade, which I plan on doing a video on. I'm thinking of doing a gold and green. I think that'll be really pretty, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But I am just loving this palette. I think it's so beautiful, so pigmented. I mean, this is without Fix Plus, and imagine if you did use Fix Plus, you'd probably blind people. I think it's so gorgeous. But yeah, that is it. This is the palette again, and if you guys haven't checked it out, I do have a whole review on this palette, so definitely go check that out on my channel. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.